Understanding the phrase, use within a year. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, use within a year. This phrase is often seen on product labels and instructions, and understanding its meaning is crucial for both safety and optimal use. So, let's dive in and unravel the intricacies of this simple yet important expression. Use within a year is a phrase that combines a few key elements. Firstly, use refers to the act of employing or applying something for a particular purpose. In this context, it's about how you utilize the product. The word within is a preposition indicating a time frame or limit. Lastly, a year is the time period under consideration, which equates to 12 months or 365 days. Put together, the phrase instructs that the product should be used or consumed within a 12-month period from a certain starting point. The importance of this phrase lies in its implications for product quality and safety. Products labeled with use within a year are often those whose effectiveness, quality, or safety can diminish over time. This includes perishables, cosmetics, medications, and other time-sensitive items. Ignoring this instruction might lead to using products that are no longer effective or, worse, harmful. This phrase is not limited to physical products. It can also be found in documentation, vouchers, or contracts, where it signifies the validity or relevance of the document within a year. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending the duration of agreements, offers, or legal documents. Let's look at some examples. 1. Medication. A medicine bottle might say, use within a year of opening. This means the medication should be used within 12 months from when it was first opened. 2. Food products. A food item with a label, best if used within a year of purchase, suggests that for optimal taste and safety, consume it within a year of buying it. 3. Vouchers. A voucher stating, valid within a year of issue, indicates it can be used any time within the 12 months following its issuance. Understanding the phrase, use within a year, is crucial for ensuring the safety, effectiveness, and optimal enjoyment of various products and documents. It's a simple guideline that carries significant importance. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying its meaning and usage. Stay safe, use products responsibly, and keep learning English. See you in the next video.